All right. Again, welcome to IoT New York. This is our 57th IoT New York meetup. And we will be discussing decentralizing IoT and in the process disrupting the telecommunications giants, I guess, right? Here to talk to us about that is Helium. They're a storied IoT startup. Mark will provide an overview of where they've been and where they're headed. First, let's go over kind of the agenda for tonight. We've networked. I'm going through a welcome. We'll hear from Babak Prazdar of Crito. He'll give an overview of IoT security and cybersecurity and how crypto technologies can be used in IoT. Babak has done a lot of work in the cybersecurity space. So as IoT gains traction, he's kind of riding that wave, it seems. Then we'll hear from Mark. We'll finish up around 7:30, 7:40. We can continue to hang out, drink beer, eat the rest of the pizza, and then we can head home. Tonight's program, again, we'll hear from Mark Phillips, VP Business Development of Helium. Helium's building a decentralized machine network using a new blockchain, wireless network, and open source software. Babak Prastar from Crito, again, will discuss IoT security, the role cybersecurity will play in our increasingly connected world, and share a little bit about what Crito's up to. Some community announcements first. Shameless plug from your host, Timescale. We just launched Timescale version 1.0 a couple weeks ago. At Timescale, we build an open source time series database powered by Postgres. Who here knows what Postgres is? Awesome. Who here uses Postgres daily or? Okay, cool. We should definitely talk. Justin is back there. He's part of Timescale too. If you want to learn more, we're also hiring if your work on Postgres interests you. Timescale is used across lots of different IoT use cases and verticals in finance, ad tech, just building SaaS applications, stuff like that. So happy to chat more about Timescale. Data Camp, for those of you who have come to these meetups before, Data Camp's been a long-time partner. And so basically, if you follow this promo code, anyone interested might want to take a picture before I change the slide. You get 1 month premium access of their course curriculum for free. No strings attached, no credit card, no nothing. And ask of all of you, if any of you would like to speak on the work you're doing that's related even loosely to IoT. We're always looking for new speakers. It can be a 15-minute lightning talk. It can be a demo. It can be a 45-minute exciting lecture on something. Just message me on the Meetup app or at Linda Drabick, or talk to me after tonight. If anyone has anything they'd like to say from the community, you can come up. You can kind of line up there, and then after the sponsorship, thanks, and say that. But first, a thank you to our sponsors, NEA, an investor in Timescale, a partner to some of the more successful startups, now lots of them now public companies, have been around since the 1970s, since the dawn of the internet. It's kind of cool. But they've invested in companies like Elastic, MongoDB, Confluent, Databricks. Those are companies in our space, but they do work in all verticals, consumer, energy, you name it. And then thanks to Helium, because Helium's provided us with sustenance, so you guys will you won't go hungry during this presentation. Food and drink provided by Helium. This is exciting for me because I've been aware of Helium for a long while. So to get to host them here and meet Mark is really exciting. I'm excited for this talk. So without further ado, Babak, if you want to hop in, we'll get started with the program. Cool.
Great.